Welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I'm going to give you an update on QuickJack's power units that makes them easier to set up. Check it out. I'm Max, and here in front of me is a brand new power unit, just out of the box. And this is the updated fitting to it. The previous version had another small fitting that you had to install before the Quick Connect, and this new version essentially eliminates that step. There's just this one fitting to screw in. I already have the bottom one installed here, and with this one, I simply get it started in the threads. All right, get the fitting in there, quick finger tighten. Just finish it off with a couple turns of the wrench. And it's good. And that's it. So, while we're here, I'd like to tease a new series we have coming out showing real work being done with QuickJack. If there's a job you'd like to see us do, drop us a comment and tell us about it. So first, we're going to show you something with this truck behind me. And that's all I'll say about it now. So keep an eye out for that video to drop and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.